What's up, YouTube? Do you want to make insane amounts of money from really tiny investments? If so, stay with me. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. It's coming right up in my review of AdTargetDrill. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make my online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, I'm done with you. He does this every single day, and it's really annoying. I don't understand the guy. He never bothers to look at my reviews, and then he complains. It's really, really irritating. Anyhow, I also do a lot of videos on how to make money on the side, as well as a lot of stuff involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing every single day, but it's always sweet to hear, isn't it? Now, the way things work is basically, if I like the product, I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going, and let's get right into this. For a product called AdTargetDrill by my buddy Ivana, and you can see here the kind of money that she's been making from this thing, and this is real money. I'm not kidding when I say this is doable literally for anybody. She spends, look how little she spends, $15, $20, $56, and then she ends up with pages like these. Okay, these are real numbers that you can actually make real money doing this. And it's 100% legit that you can actually make these kinds of numbers, these kind of sales. It's really, really crazy, crazy numbers. Okay, and anybody can do this. Like literally anybody can do it with this method. It is super simple, and the whole program costs $15. I mean, you can't do better than that. Now, of course, I also I'm going to hook you up with insane bonuses. So the first bonus I'm going to give you, in addition to the method that Ivana's going to teach you, I'm going to give you 3 different courses. One is on Facebook ads, one is on Twitter ads, and another one is going to be on NativeAds. All of these are gold mined, but Ivana's program is probably the best one out of all of them because it's super cheap. You literally pay, like 10, 20, 30 cents to get a lead instead of paying $3, $4, $5, $10 for a lead that you spend with other services. So it's super, super cheap. It's a really great method, and it works every single time. And the best part is 97% of people never, ever do this. Okay, so this is like a hidden gold mine for you to make extra money. Now, in addition to those things, I'm also going to give you 10 WordPress plugins, premium WordPress plugins. These are plugins that other people have paid a lot of money for. You're getting them for free. You can sell them. You can use them. Do whatever you want with them. Put them up on Fiverr. Sell for $20, $30 a piece. You'll make it back your money within one sale on Fiverr of these plugins. Seriously, it's completely legit. You're going to get 10 plugins that you can sell on your own and do whatever you want. Okay, so that's the basic bonuses. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, there are 3 upgrades here. Pick up any upgrade whatsoever from Ivana. And what you're going to get from me is I have a brand new Instagram account. Well, not brand new. I mean, it's been around for almost a year now, but it's brand new to me because I now own it. I worked out a deal with the owner to basically take ownership of this account. And it is focused on luxury living. And ordinarily, you go to Shop Card, something like that, you can spend as much as $100 for a shout out on an Instagram account like this. I have about 4,900 followers, just shy of 5,000 right now. I'm working on growing it more. That's about 4.9K. Okay, I'm going to give you a shout out 100% for free, no cost. You just send me the link. Obviously, it has to be something that's appropriate. I am not going to send links to scam sites. I'm not sending to MLMs, and I'm definitely not sending to anything obscene. So don't send me it. Don't try it because I will not do it. I'm sorry. I refuse to do that. But if it's like a legit offer, like something like AdTargetDrill, for example, That's perfectly fine. I'm great with that. You're going to get a free shout out from me. All you have to do is pick up any one upgrade. Pick up all 3 upgrades to this thing. And not only will I give you a month-long shout out instead of a 24-hour shout out, I'm also going to give you an hour of my personal time to sit in a Zoom conversation. We're going to sit and chat and discuss your business, how we can make your business better, how we can build your business up and really make it pop for you. Okay? Completely for free. So that's enough about my bonuses, enough about what this thing is. Let's go take a quick look inside the actual members area and see what this thing is all about and whether or not it's actually worth it. We're here in the members area, and basically it's a nice video course. It's going to show you everything you could possibly need to know, how to build a sales page, how to do everything that you need in order to really make this method pop. It's not the typical method is not just buying AdWords ads, in case you're thinking that. There's a particular type of advertising that Ivana does, which is really, really cool, and it's going to get you a ton of money, like for super cheap. It's super, super cheap. It's a really, really incredible method that's really going to make you an incredible amount of money.
That's insane.
Yeah, I know, right? Like, seriously, this is insane stuff, and nobody does it. That's what kills me. 97% of people don't do this, and this is a gold mine method. It is so insane. Look at the case study. $41.78 turned into $5,483 using this strategy. That is insane money. I'm not buying solo ads anymore. What's the point? I was spending like $3-4 per lead, and with this method, I can spend a tenth of that and get leads. It's insane. Why would I ever want to go back to spending so much money paying for solo ads every single time? It doesn't make any sense. This method is absolutely insane. It is the perfect method to really make your business pop and to really make a ton of money. And you can also go ahead and sell it to other people. Okay, you can actually go out and sell this as a service. And it's not hyperbole to say it at all. People will happily spend $497 per month for you to do this for them because they're going to get insane returns. Okay, they're going to spend $50 for ads, and they'll end up making from their $50 of ads and paying you $497. They'll make a few $1,000s. So it's worth it to them to do that. I mean, that makes perfect sense, right?
That's a lot of money.
I know, right? It does. It totally does. Anyhow, so yeah, go ahead, take a quick look at this. It's a really, really cool method. I think you're really going to love it, and it's only $15. It's really that's no money. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip my hat. Ivana, you did it. This is a great program. Okay, I absolutely love this thing. It's stupendous. For $15, you're really going to be able to build a life of freedom, which is what really everybody who is trying to make money online, that's what it's really all about. This method is going to do the job for you super, super well. It's super easy to do. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a professional artist. You don't have to know anything about advertising. Anybody can do it. Seriously, go out there, pick it up, and actually use the thing, though. Don't just let it sit and be another training object. Actually use it, and you're going to see such insane results. It's amazing. Go out. You're going to love it. I guess my highest recommendation.